Hey there, privacy conscious Instagram users. Want to keep your active now status hidden? Whether you're avoiding distractions or just want some peace and quiet, I have got you covered. Today I'll show you how to hide your activity status on Instagram. Let's get started. Once you have opened up your Instagram app, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the lower right corner. Once you're there, tap on the hamburger menu. Scroll down until you find an option how others can interact with you, and there you'll find messages and story reply. Go for it. Here you can see who can see that you are online. Then there's an option just right after it how show activity status. So go for it. And here currently it is turned on. You have to just turn it off. And that's it. Your activity status is now hidden. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram privacy tips. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more ways to take control of your social media experience.